To give a better explanation of the correspondence theory of truth, it can be said that there is no difference between truth and reality. Correspondence mainly associated with empiricists, however, there are truths that are not matters of fact. So truth is basically reality, and from it the correspondence theory of truth does relate to empiricists because for example the book is right in front of me corresponds with the proposition because the book is right in front of me and I'm using my sight, my sense perception to see the book, to know that it is in front of me. And but a posteriori or matters of fact knowledge isn't the only knowledge. There's rational knowledge or the relation of ideas knowledge. So that's a flaw in the correspondence theory of truth. So now I'm going to now explain the coherence theory of truth. It is also known as a web theory. It's mainly associated with idealists because idealists states that because phenomenalist philosopher states that it knowledge starts with simple ideas and then simple ideas become complex ideas through rationality because when a proposition coheres another proposition, it's like an idea building on a next idea. Coherence means when a proposition supports the other proposition. Like for example, we know that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, so therefore 4 times 2 is equal to 8, because without 2 plus 2 being equal to 4, 4 times 2 wouldn't be equal to 8. P is true if and only if P corresponds with the other P which supports holds up the truth of P. A proposition is true if it belongs to a set of coherent propositions. When the other propositions coheres meshes with the proposition that is believed to be true, then it is an indication that the proposition is true. Coherence offers an analysis of the nature of truth, whereas correspondence relies on a suitable object in the world to mirror a proposition, which I explained earlier. Coherence see truth as a matter of how beliefs are related to each other. Ideally see no difference between a system of beliefs and sorry, I did not finish writing that, so I will skip that. The neoclassical coherence truth is a content to content or belief to belief relation, objections to okay. So here are the critiques of coherence. Not clear what it means to cohere. Coherence set of false beliefs, hallucinations, may be confusing justification for criterion. There may be justification rather than criteria. So what about if someone is dreaming or hallucinating? That wouldn't be the truth because that is not reality. So I do agree with this critique of the coherence theory. But other propositions may not be a criteria for the truth of another proposition, but it may justify it rather than being a criteria.